No, no, not me. They don't want to. They don't really want to.
He looks kind of wild-eyed there.
Little guy's sad. This guy's eating. Aw, cheer up, little buddy. He's also eating. Cowboy. This is Pony Stormy, so that's Stormy. We got bison. Oh, look. There's a cow here. They're pregnant? Hopefully not. They're relaxing. Oh, they're only 7 years old. Breed is Holstein. What's this breed? Holsteins. I think they're the same breed. This is only 2 years old. Oh, from Maple Ridge. So all three girls here are from Maple Ridge. Interesting. Oh, we got ducks. Oh, that's my favorite. Let's go grab some ducks. Oh no, this is goose. This is geese and stuff. Look at this guy. Oh, that's cute.
Look at the goat.
Lots of people here. We got BC eggs. Cactus. I want to buy one. Please do not climb on them. Okay. I wanted to climb, but I said no. What else we got here? Archery. Archery going on here. Let's sit and watch. Archery. Oh, line up. You can line up, and there's lots of things going on actually here.
Because we bought limoncello and then put it in the box and they just lightly topped it and it cracked.
Go ask them.
Bottom of the trailer. This is long enough for Dave for us to be going out of here.
Yeah.
How do they know that?
I have no idea.
Everywhere we go,
Right.
it's the same shit. We get quite loud, to be honest with you. Like I said, we have 9 horses here. That's all across the hall for most of the shows we go to. We always take 1 or 2 spares, one might get sore, or one might get something else wrong with them, or whatever. You need a spare to travel any distance. In the winter time, we turn them out in the big field. So we're quite excited about that.
Let's do it.
Good people, nice people to deal with at the track. We've got some horses from a couple guys down there. This is how we let them know.
Yeah. Awesome. Folks, can we get a final round of applause for our Carlisle Clyde show for today? Thank you. Thanks so much for joining us. Our extreme trail will be back at 7 p.m. tonight. Thank you,
Yeah,
Lauren.
thank you. How, you're going to ask, how come we come with the name Carlisle Clydes? My wife's first name is Caroline, and my first name is Lawrence. We took a little of each and put it together.
Oh, I love it. That's how my parents got their dairy farm name as well.
And she said her half of the name had to be first on the list.
My mom says as well, I'm theirs.
I just kidding on that.
Smart woman.
That's how the name
I
happened.
tell you.
Oh yeah, this is the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.